CMS stands for Content Management System. With a CMS, you can create, manage, modify, and publish content in a user-friendly interface, provided from the box. Out of all websites in the world, around 67% are using a CMS. Using CMS, you will have a benefit such as content editing, SEO features and modules, user roles and permissions, easy collaboration and easy access. Here are the most popular open source content management systems. It's WordPress, Joomla, Drupal and Magento. Let's talk about Drupal. Drupal started in 2000s when Dries Buytaert, a student from the University of Antwerp, created a simple message board. Drupal became a complete CMS and was released as an open source project in 2001. The name Drupal came from the Dutch for Drupal, meaning drop, inspired by Drop.org website where Dries shared his work. The main goal of Drupal was to offer a flexible platform for managing websites. It aimed to let users easily create, publish, and organize content. Unlike many other CMS options, Drupal was open source, hopeful of a community-driven approach to development. The main reason for using Drupal is Drupal modular architecture allows for extensive customization. It can handle large amount of content and traffic, making it ideal for big websites. Drupal has a dedicated security team, making it reliable for protecting user data. From Drupal.org, you can use contributed modules and themes to cover user needs. Drupal provides good multilingual capabilities, making it easy to create websites in different languages. But also it can be complex for beginners. Drupal has become a powerful tool for building websites. It continues to evolve to meet the changing needs of users, making it a popular choice for developers and organizations. To run Drupal website, you need Apache, Nginx, or any other web server with proper PHP support. Drupal, like many other content management systems, relies on a database to store and manage website content, configuration settings, user data, and other essential information. PHP is essential for running a Drupal website. Drupal is a PHP-based content management system, meaning it relies on PHP code to function. For running Drupal 10, you should have at least PHP 8.1 and recommended 8.1.6 and a couple of PHP extensions, such as video, XML, GD library, etc.